We just have a little sequence here of some side bending stretches. The first one we're going to do is actually a Bikrams triangle pose. So we're going to take a wide position with our feet. We're going to turn one foot out. We're going to begin here and we're going to kind of stretch, take that knee as far away from the other foot there as we can. We're going to bring ourselves into kind of a straight line here along this side as we reach this fingertips down towards the ground. We get to this position, we're going to take a series of about 5 really deep breaths. Continuing to try to maintain long lines from the fingertip to fingertip and from your heel to the top of your head. We'll continue working this side. So we're going to come into a door pose, which is just to bring this hip slightly outside, the knee slightly outside the position of the hip, and relax your hand down onto this leg. We'll take one arm up overhead, right beside your ear, and slide that hand down a little bit, just to get a little bit of a stretch. As we begin side bending, using your full inhale and exhale to try to bring some stretching into this here. We can continue to try to maintain a straight arm, straight elbow. And maintain some strength and control around your hips and your glutes, so squeezing that glute, using your abs to pull up on the front of the pelvis. From there, we can come down to the position here. You can start with your feet stacked up. Use your lats to kind of pull that shoulder into a broad position. And then we're going to take that top leg and just bring it forward a little bit. And you can explore a little bit of rotation with the pelvis, just to see what angle brings you a nice comfortable stretch. Once you've found a position, we're going to focus on our breathing. Continue to try to maintain some of that engagement from your lats. That's helping to keep you nice and upright and keep things comfortable around your neck and shoulder. Try to be long and tall through your spine to the crown of your head. And reach with your heel away from the body. With all of this set up, we can be mindful of our trunk alignment. Play a little bit with extending the spine versus flexing the spine or kind of squaring the ribs more to the pelvis. We want to work on maintaining that position of ribs square to pelvis. So you can think about your mid-back pressing backwards behind you. Okay, so that's our sequence for side bending.